If you're an active woman over 40 and your back keeps flaring up after workouts or is keeping you from working out, these are 3 drills that make the biggest impact quickly. A lot of women come to me thinking their back pain means something's wrong with their back, that it's weak, injured, or this is just part of getting older and I will always have to have this pain. But what I actually see most of the time is that mobility above and below the low back doesn't move as well, so the low back ends up doing all of the work. And during perimenopause, when your body's recovery and stress response shifts, this can happen faster than most women realize. So more stretching, more rest, more being careful, it doesn't fix that. Rebuilding stability does. These are 3 drills that I go back to again and again and again. The first drill is hip airplanes, and it's to strengthen your hip going in and out. So it is teaching your hip to move under load, which is what we do in real life, internally and externally rotating. You're gonna stand on one leg. You can hold on to something for balance if you need it. You're gonna bring one leg back, lean forward. You're gonna open up as far as you can. So you are stacking this left hip over the right hip, squeezing that right butt muscle, holding it for 5 seconds, and then you're closing past this neutral. Drop your left hip down as far as it will go. You're gonna feel that hip working in internal rotation. The key here is slow and controlled. You're likely gonna feel a little bit wobbly. 2 or 3, 4 on each side, you should start to feel some muscle work in your butt muscles, both directions.
The shoulder sweep is one of my favorite exercises. It is my go-to for getting thoracic extension and rotation. So everything we use in front of us, so we often are in that forward flexed posture. This helps open everything up to take the pressure off your low back. So the key with this is when you're on your side, bring this top knee up and keep it on the ground. This is gonna lock out your low back. So you are going through your thoracic spine. You're gonna take that top arm and you're gonna sweep it around in as big of a circle as feels good. The goal here is to bring your shoulder and your hip apart so you can get that thoracic rotation and extension. You should be able to eke out a little bit more each time you go. I really do like this one too because it's a gravity eliminated position. So gravity is not pushing down on your spine. So your nervous system can start to relax and learn that, oh, it's okay to move. It feels good to move. So try a few shoulder sweeps on one side, maybe try 3 to 5 on one side and 3 to 5 on the other side and see if you notice the difference right to left as well. Once you start doing these, you're never gonna stop doing these.
I'm Dr. Nikki. I'm a doctor of physical therapy with over 20 years of experience, specifically working with active women over 40. Back pain that keeps showing up after workouts or prevents you from doing your workouts in the first place is almost never about your back. It's about rebuilding the right kind of strength. If you found this helpful and you're dealing with low back pain, send me a DM on Instagram or email me with the link in my bio, and I'll help you figure out what's actually going on. Drill number 2 is hip flexion and extension. So if your hips are not moving in full range of motion, the work is gonna come from somewhere else, and it's likely gonna be your low back. You're gonna bring one foot up, you're gonna shift forward, squeezing through here as you feel lengthening through here. So we're strengthening into extension, lengthening, and then you can come back, same thing. You should feel a stretch through the back of your hamstrings or that front leg. You are hinging forward, feeling that length through here. And then you can move your foot forward a little bit. And then same thing, shift forward, hold it for 5 seconds, and then hinge forward, hold that for 5 seconds. And you're gonna switch legs and do the same thing of shifting forward and then hinging forward to get that strength and length into hip flexion and extension.